Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to Trucking California with Velox 18. We are at Frenchy's Truck Jamboree out here in Red Bluff, California, and this show is huge. There's so many trucks here, and I'm gonna take you guys around, just show you some of my favorites right now. There's more than what I could record because there's just too many rad trucks here, but I tried to get all the ones that I really liked and put them in this video. So check it out, and before we check out the trucks, roll the music. Alright, this here is one of my favorite trucks in the whole show, and it just so happens to be this man's right here. If you guys don't know, I put him on my community page a couple times, shared out his channel, but he's got a channel called Trucking for Cars. Race cars. Trucking for race cars. Trucking for race cars. But this is the Peterbilt. So I talked to Cameron right here. When he was ordering this truck, he ordered it just after I ordered mine, and so we were talking about some of the specs, and man, it is truly an amazing truck. Look at it! Look at this step! Look at this step! Look at it! Freaking crazy. That's amazing. I love it. All right, Cameron, trucking for race cars.
Sure.
All right, what wheelbase? What are we working with?
292
292
wheelbase.
wheelbase. And what's the engine again?
It's an X15, 605, 2050 torque.
So you had to go and outdo me with the 605. All right, all right. And then who helped you do like all the finishing touches, all the like body work and all that? Can you rep them?
It's a shop out of Vancouver called the Root Brothers, and they're really local to me. And they've done quite a few trucks locally around my area. And yeah, they just put their team together. And it took a little longer than I expected, but hey man, they came out great.
It always does.
Yep.
All right, cool. And what I know you told me already, but which truck inspired this build probably more than any other?
Phil Miller Livestock, his old truck, his old flat top. man, it's just very simple and clean, man. And that was my whole outlook on it. You know, his was a little more classier. I feel like, you know, I'm kind of going a little more modern, classy style. And, you know, with my gray, I got a Charger that's the same color as that. And yeah, man, just clean, simple, less is more, cover everything up. That's it, man.
Cool. All right, hey, you guys go subscribe to this guy's channel, Trucking for Race Cars, and you guys can see more of this truck. He's hauling a curtain van right now, but usually he hauls a skateboard. And on Monday, he's gonna be making a video about a 61,000 pound load of steel he's gonna be hauling. So go check that out, Trucking for Race Cars on YouTube. So this is one of Phil Miller's trucks. This is actually an older one. There's a YouTube video about this, a rolling CB interview done by Big Rig Videos. This one is a very popular video on YouTube for those of you who don't know. But he got rid of the cream one he built, and he built this one more recently. And I don't think that Big Rig Videos has gotten a hold of this one yet. There's Cameron again. He's got to take a video of this truck because this truck is bad. And of course, we gotta take a look at El Hueso. El Hueso was promised a bath when we signed up for this thing, and then when we got here, there was no one to give it a bath, so he's a little dirty. I was gonna hand wash it, but it's like 105 degrees, so I decided screw that. All right, guys, I'm on my way home. I am almost home. I had such a blast at the truck show, Frenchy's Truck Jamboree. It was amazing. I mean, I got parked right across from Phil Miller. So if you don't know that name, go check out the Rolling CB interviews done by Big Rig Videos. And he's had 2 of them done because he has such cool trucks. And I got to see his next truck, or his newest truck, which was parked across from me. So pretty freaking amazing. And anyway, so I actually had an entire outro already filmed. But then Cameron, who you saw earlier, sent me a text message that he got first place for working show truck in the working show truck category, which is the majority of the trucks that were there. The black and blue truck is a working show truck. I mean, most of the nice trucks were in the working show truck class, and he won first place. So if you're not following, if you're not subscribed to Trucking for Race Cars, you're missing out, because that is the #1 working show truck at the Frenchy's Truck Jamboree. So anyway, I had to re-record a whole outro because I had to drop that, man. You guys need to go subscribe to him, because I'm telling you, that truck is amazing. Seeing it in person was even cooler than seeing all the pictures I had seen of it and watching the videos on his channel. But nevertheless, you can get a glimpse of what it's like if you watch his channel. The other thing I wanted to say is, hey, thanks for everyone who came up and said hi, and who, you know, subscribers that came and hung out. Garrett, thank you for saying hi. Let's see. Oh wait, I was gonna do it in order of people who saw me, but the brothers, I knew I was gonna forget names. That ticks me off. That really chaps my hide, because they were so they when I pulled in, they said, "What's up, Hollywood?" I was like, why'd you call me that? And I was like, I kind of knew that they probably had seen me on YouTube, but yeah, they definitely did. It was 2 brothers. You guys know who you are, out in Hayward hauling tractors around. I just forget your names. You guys had the yellow truck with the dump truck on the back. I'm blanking. I'm spacing. I'm sorry. But anyway, so those guys said hi to me, and then of course Cameron, which you guys saw. So he was out there. Let's see who else. Oh yeah, Vegas guy 1975. That was cool to meet him. It was really cool to meet you and your daughter. And yeah, looking forward to next year, man. This is gonna be an annual thing for me, because these are fun. These are so much fun. I'm having a blast. And so once again, thanks to everyone who said hi. If I missed anyone, I'm sorry. I hate forgetting people's names. I hate it. I tried to remember so many people's names this weekend, and I don't know. But anyway, that's it for this video, guys. I'm sorry I forgot some of your guys' names, but thanks for coming and hanging out and saying hi. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of all the cool trucks. Not all the cool trucks, but some of the cool trucks. And yeah, that's it, man. Love you guys. Peace out. See you on the next load.